Hey everybody, Bill Murphy with Fairway Mortgage. Very excited that we are heading into the early spring market. And as I mentioned recently, we had eclipsed a year-over-year mark with inventory exceeding this time last year's numbers. So the inventory is on the way, first time in 6 years. Here we are heading into March, and we've seen inventories at a surplus from where they were at this time last year. So what does that mean for buyers looking to get out there, jump on the spring market, and sellers looking to sell? So let's talk about the seller. Seller's going to be very careful that they just don't list a home with an agent that's just going to go very high and give them lip service. Because when you go super high, you're not going to get the traffic coming in as you would have in the past. Remember, it's leveling out. It's becoming an even playing field between buyers and sellers now with the inventory coming on the market. So instead of pricing super high, price it aggressively, because then you're gonna bump up the price with multiple offer situations. When we see an open house, we've been working a lot of open houses, and there's a lot of traffic when it's priced right, and we're getting several multiple offers going above asking. And flip that over, and when the house is priced too high, there's a couple of people that just show a little bit of interest but no offers. Then you do a price reduction, no offers, a price reduction, no offers. It's on the market for a little bit of time. Then when it's priced right, the traffic comes. So price it aggressively at first. Now let's talk about the buyers. The buyers have been frustrated for years now because it's been a seller's market. Again, it's leveling out. With this inventory comes choices. When they get beat out of a multiple offer situation, they're going to have more houses to pick from, and they don't have to settle and just rush an offer in. We've had a lot of people lose houses and deals fall apart because they just threw it against the wall and hope that it stuck, and they just settled for a house that they didn't necessarily love, and then buyer's remorse, and they had an inspection issue and they walked away. We'll probably see less of that with more inventory. So the buyers have a little bit more of an advantage than they have had in the past. I think it's a win-win as the market evens out between buyers and sellers, and I expect a super busy market with some inventory coming back.